Mukorogu gutebekanisiba bebembezi b'ekibiina kya NRM mu district egi cha Kabale municipal wabiri nagambaho n'abahagizi b'ekibiina Honorable Minister David Bahati yanangirize abebembezi b'ekibiina eki okufayo munonga okurebeka ngu bafaha bulungi bw'ekibiina taburungi bw'abantu bonto
Uganda inchi ukweli secondary general hano ya whatever ejo kola ke bodiye ekipate injaya kana president 27 have discipline. You must be disciplined.
Muringo nugogumwe Minister Bahati asimire government ya NRM abo ibintu byentunguka ibitari bimwe na bimwe byekozero mucanga icya kigezi ari kushobora ngo ebi nibyo bibareteye kujaguza imyaka 39 y'ikibineke
ekimuga kandi netunguke gitwine bana ko muri Kabale wa hagati y'ukutoru karuta muri Ministry of Finance ogogo zona hatia Kabale kugenda misho Kabale kwine bibase Kabale alikisa county ubine ho Rubaya kwine secondary school Rubaya na chikuka hoka ndo tuzikire kwaja UCC kwaja health centers mwingisa county
Mukoro nugogumwe abereho kwijika amamanzi ga kigezi agayitsurwa mahego abiro president w'ihangeri Idi Amin Dada ebiri 10 ebyo kwezi kwa kabiri umwaka gwa 1953 amamanzaga garumu James Karambuzi wabiro ryo mutuzi w'icyaro cya Igabiro muri Mwanjari Ward muri Kabale municipality David Kagoro Kanjiri wabiro ryo muturage w'icyaro cya Kasoni muri Kiga district bwa Hati hamwe na Joseph Bitwari wabiri y'umuturage wa Kabale abashatu aba bombi bakiturwa habiragiro bya Lieutenant Kano Alfadul wabiri y'umudumizi w'enkambi y'amahe y'amakenke mu district ya Mbara abijikizo by'abantu aba nko muringo gwo kubijika hamwe no kubasima abo kushesheshagama abo businjo buri mu yihango bwa Hati Mukorogu gwetabira umabembezi b'ekibiina kya NRM ahandi ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi aba bazimira umubembezi w'ihanga His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni abo bwebembezi burungi
Maururu bazora president ahapiliyo na zindi government programs maurura bachara babagaha kasabandi groups zindi ziyagabaho na chairman witu honorable ziyagabaho iyo yona ikintu liberation kandi ikintu kutamamani bonga ibyo byona nibyetinga discipline.
I want to commend the discipline of everyone who has attended today, and I want to say that irrespective of differences in ideologies, let us maintain discipline in the whole process of celebration, because NRM is built on open methods of work and discipline.
Bibikiriyaho Andrew Aja Bariyayanga wabiriho myeshegera bwa Kabale municipality yehanangiriza abantu ba kigezi okukwatanisiza hamwe baba bari abo kutunguka
barareba haba mu tension zo kurohana byo kandi nabaratetsa ngo ngene NRM okukiza abandi nabwo n'abashaka muzungu baba movement so nye tunashikiriza mezi kandi kubandiza ngo ebyo byo ngo n'acyonza kibirimo tena kaba twamubye waje movement imyaka 30 yenyo no wagira muno mwazo no wajije mezi zoba tena turasana
Mukoro nugogumwe abebembezi batare bamwe na bamwe bazimira ubebembezi bo mu bebembezi w'ihanga kandi bamurangirira ku bantu we yatwara bendera y'ekibiina cya NRM mu karura karkwija akomako gw'2026